Here's a 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe at Unique, especially in classics. Original Acapulco blue car with parchment vinyl interior. Has had a repaint along the way. Take a look at the front bumper, grille. 200 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Take a look at the undersides, engine bay, interior, Ford Mustang wheel covers. Be a nice car for any local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Of course, bucket seats up front, center console. Paint does have some touch-up spots and a little bit of orange peel to it. There you can see a couple of the touch-up spots there, but it has a nice shine to it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Couple spots down there also. And remember, we have an open door policy if you'd like a third-party inspector to take a peek at this. Can't make it yourself because of distance or time restraints. Feel free to have somebody put their eyes on it, report back to you. Try to represent these as fairly as possible with all the pictures and videos of them running and driving. And again, there's underside pics at UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll also be able to see the trunk, interior. Take your time looking through them. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run too, and check out the engine bay. I did have the wipers work, radio works, blower fan works. Be able to see the door tag information. If you want to do any decoding, that will be in the still pictures. Here's these seats have been reupholstered. Pretty nice shape. With the headliner looking good there also. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starts easily. Oil pressure gauge going up, appears to work. That was a cold start, so I would expect the temp gauge to heat up. And it also appears fuel and alternator gauge working. Radio working, as well as the horn. Top of the dash. Also looks like it's in good shape. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. And the slip up to the front. I think I can get this hood open one-handed here. Let's check out the engine bay. Side of the hood. There it is. An inline 6. Pretty stock looking engine bay. '68 Ford Mustang Coupe. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. 507-386-1726, number to call. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1968 Ford Mustang. This is a nice blue color on the outside, and inside we've got a cream, kind of a creamish white color with a black dash, black carpet. This has been upgraded with Pioneer speakers and a retro sound style radio. Which is working very good. Speedometer working well. It's a smooth running car. Our oil pressure is reading about 3/4 of the gauge from low to high. Temperature right in the middle of cold to hot. And fuel gauge reading 3/4. The alternator reading just about half on the charge versus discharge. This is an automatic on the center console. We do have a little whistling from the right triangle window. Maybe a little shimming would stop that. Nice interior. Original looking bucket seats, headliner, rear seat. Not getting any kind of shakes or shimmies, and stays straight in the lane when you let go of the wheel. Brakes feel like manual brakes, but they do work well. Nice little factory storage compartment there. Rear ashtray on the center console. Our wipers work well, the blower motor works. Very factory seeming. Smooth run in 1968 Ford Mustang. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.